The night feels soft, the lights are low. I hear our song on the radio. Every note cuts clean and true, and I remember I'm still yours too. I'm yours in every line I play, in every word I fail to say. The world moved on, but hearts don't stray. Baby, I'm still yours today. Lucille hums slow, she knows the sound of love that lost, but still hangs round. The years go by, but the feelings stay, and every chord my fingers trace. Maybe time can bend and fade, but love's a song that never strayed. If the blues could talk, they'd tell you true. Everyone I play's for you. I'm yours, even when I roam. Every stage just feels like home. I can play the world, but when I'm through, I'm still forever yours. Even when I roam, every stage just feels like home. I can play the world, but when I'm through, I'm still forever yours. Chair still creeps where you used to be. The air still hums your melody. I light a smoke, let the silence speak, and wonder how the nights got this weak. I'm alone, but the blues still stay. They talk to me in their quiet way. Every note, every breath I own, I play my heart alone. Lucille cries songs beneath my hands. She knows the part I understand. Love don't die, it just hides its face. Sometimes I laugh just to keep from tears. Pretend your voice is still right here. The crowd's long gone, the lights are low, but I still play like you never know. I'm alone, but I'm still alive. These strings, the only thing that survive. The blues don't hurt, they just atone and teach my soul to live alone. Na 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 na. Tone and teach my soul to live alone. I swore my heart was done with pain. Said I'd never love that way again. But then you smile, the world turns slow, and every scar began to glow. Again, you taught my soul to breathe, brought back the song I used to believe. Love ain't gone, it just lost its friend. Now it's learning to sing again. Lucille hums low, she knows the sound of hearts once lost, now newly found. Your touch feels soft like the very first time, and the blues just turned into rhyme. Maybe pain just clears the way for love to come and choose to stay. If the past was dark, then this feels right. You're the reason I found my life. Oh, strong again. I tried to walk away, leave it all behind, but your voice keeps echoing inside my mind. The nights get longer and the pain don't fade. Every road I take leads back your way, 'cause love keeps coming back no matter what I do. Every time I close my heart, it opens up for you like a river knows its path, flowing to the sea. Love keeps coming back to me. I've burned the letters, torn the past apart, but I can't hide the ashes in my heart. Your touch still lingers like smoke in the rain, and every chord I play spells out your name. I told myself I'd move on, but the truth keeps pulling me strong. There's a whisper in the dark I can't ignore. Every time I think it's over, I want you more. Yeah, love keeps coming back like a sweet old tune played under faded lights in a Memphis room. No matter how the story ends, I can't break free, 'cause love keeps coming back. Coming back to me. It's late, the crowd's all gone. The jukebox hums our favorite song. You're by the door, your eyes still say you ain't ready to walk away. So I'm staying right where love began, with Lucille humming in my hand. The night's still young, the fire's still playing. You're gone, but my heart's still staying. The smoke curls slow in the midnight air. Your perfume's ghost is everywhere. I talk to walls, they talk to me, singing blues in the key of memory. Maybe time will change your mind. Maybe love just fell behind. If you come back, I'll still be playing the same old song. Still staying. So I'm staying where the pain feels true, 'cause every chord still sounds like you. I'll play till dawn, no use complaining. The world moves on, but I'm staying. The night's still young, but my heart feels old, waiting on dreams that the silence stole. She said goodbye, but it felt unsure, like a door half closed, not locked for sure. No, love ain't gone far. It's just hiding in the dark, burning quiet, still leaving its mark. You can take the light, but not the spark. No, love ain't gone far from my heart. Still see her smile in the window glass, like a ghost of a moment that came to pass. Her laughter lingers, low and warm, like summer thunder before the storm. Some things fade, but they don't die slow. They hide beneath where the heartbeats go. I can feel her breath in the midnight air, like love still here, just unaware. Your shadow's still here, on my wall. I can hear your laughter down the hall. The perfume fades, but the pain remains. Love's a sweet old song with too many refrains. I'm falling for goodbye. Every time you cross my mind, the harder I try to move on, the more I rewind. You walked away slow, but you stayed inside. I'm still falling, baby, falling for goodbye. Lucille cries soft in the midnight blue. Every note I play still remembers you. The candle burned low, now the room's gone cold, but your name still warms my soul. Maybe love ain't meant to last forever. Maybe the blues just ties hearts together. I'd give the world to change your mind, but baby, love don't keep no time. I'm falling for goodbye. Can't break free tonight. Every dream I chase turns out your light. And if love's a crime, I'll serve my time. Still